Hello, everyone. I'm back. I'm Jeremy Nason. I'm one of the coaches here at the Insurance Pro Shop. What I want to start doing is giving you a video sales tip every week. Something's going to help you increase your sales, increase your business without having to spend money, without having to rethink your entire business. So this week, I want to talk about scripts because I've been getting a lot of calls to the office, a lot of calls for coaching, talking about the scripts from the different IMOs, FMOs, other sales trainers that are not working. There's so many things that are working out there. We spend our time working on stuff that doesn't work. When we talk about using a script, what's the goal of the script? Is to have a conversation, to open up a dialogue with the prospect. If they feel like we're selling something right from the start, they're not going to buy. They're going to blow us off. They're going to give us a 1,001 reasons why they don't want to talk to us. But there's a trick to using a script. And I can tell you how to use any script out there, no matter how bad it is. And that's add questions. Add a few emotional feeling questions that gets the client to think and gets the client to want to take action. So look at your script, look at what it's trying to accomplish. I looked at some of the stuff from Symmetry, from FFL, and I've gone through it, and some of the stuff is really good in those scripts. But there's little bits and pieces that can be so much better. With a little bit of training and effort, you guys can have a script that's going to convert a lot more appointments. So think about what problem you're trying to solve for your prospect and what question you can ask to get them to think about how it is going to affect their situation. That's the Wednesday tip. I'm Jeremy Nason. If you have any questions, reach out to me, give me a call, 877-297-4608, or reach me at insuranceproshop.com. We're here 9 to 5, Monday through Friday, and weekends sometimes. We're here to help you guys. So thank you and make it a great day.